Okay, single versus double quotes. Alright, there are two ways to represent a literal string in Ruby, and that's with double quotes. As we see here, you got the double quotes going on there, or single quotes going on here. With double quotes, you can place special sequences like new lines. It's a slash in. It's this special thing going on here, slash in the string and that will be converted into the code when it gets outputted. With single quotes, the string comes out just as it's typed, right? So it only sees it as a string. So this is a special thing in this slash in. This is an actual piece of code. And we've got it here also. It's kind of hard to see, but right after the will, between the will and only, there's another slash in. But we got one in double quotes and one in single quotes. And here's what would happen when we run this from the command line. The output of the first one on line 5, this first one will be here's, then a new line, then 2 lines, right? Because this new line is actually being read. It's actually being, the computer actually sees it, right? The interpreter actually sees it. But in single quotes, it just sees nothing but a string. Everything inside there is just a solid string. So that slash in will not be read by the interpreter, and it'll just output the string itself. It'll just be ignored. So let's see that. Let's actually, let's run this at 0, 4, right? Clear that out and see, let's run that. So, Ruby 0, 4. Yay! Yep, so here's 2 lines. This will only be 1 line. And there we go. Alright. So now you know about new lines and the relationship between double quotes and single quotes.